Hello, Sabar Muhammad Itikaf. Thank you for coming in today. Can you start by telling me about yourself and your experience?
Uh, yes, sir. Thank you for having me, sir. My name is Sabar Itikaf, and I just graduated from Polytechnic Negeri Bandung with a degree in Bachelor Applied Science, focused on software engineer. During my degree, I complete many subjects in studies like programming, networking, database, network, logical and analytical thinking, and calculus, and many more, which is equip me with a strong analytical thinking and critical thinking to help me for the software engineer job. And I also, during university, uh, I have activities on extracurricular as the department association called Himacom. I have a role or position in that human resource department.
Great. Can you tell me about your experience working in a team?
Sure. During my final year project, I worked on a team project, two member, where we had to do research about a simple program using YOLO V8 and to detect bottle waste. That program which can be applied to a bottle sorter technology. And I was responsible on that project for calculating and training the architecture of YOLO V8 and work closely with my team project to ensure that we met our goals and we communicate well, effectively, and provide to support each other throughout the project.
This sounds like a great experience. How do you stay organized and manage your time efficiently?
Um, I believe in prioritizing my tasks and creating a schedule to ensure that I met deadlines. I use the tools such as calendars and to-do list apps like Notion to keep the track of the tasks and the progress of the project. And also, I make sure to communicate with my friend, with my team project to ensure that we are all on the same page, on the same track. uh, we use the app called Trello to track the project tasks.
All right. What specific skill or tools are you most comfortable working with?
During my studies, I gained experience using Python, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, C, and many more other relevant technologies that allow me to be a better software engineer. And I'm also uh, actively using Python, Excel, SQL, and Power BI because I have an interest in data field such as data science, data analysis, and data engineering.
Great. Can you tell me about challenge you face when you studied and how you overcome it?
Maybe during my studies, sometimes I had to complete a particularly challenging project that must be able to divide my time because there is a lot other to do, other job, other tasks that must be completed. To overcome those challenges, I have to be able to divide my time and my tasks and also communicate well with others, with my teammates especially. And I was able to complete that project successfully and learn a lot from that experience.
Excellent. Do you have any question for me about the position or the company?
Yes, I was wondering about the backend and data analyst role at your company.
That's a good question. Actually, we will immediately notify you regarding the availability of the job vacancy and that position.
Thank you. That's helpful, sir.
Thank you for coming in today, Sabar. We will be in touch with you soon regarding the next step of the hiring process.
Thank you for the opportunity to interview. Have a great day, sir. Hi, nice to meet you, Fahri. Can you tell us a bit more about yourself?
Hi, nice to meet you too. My name is Fachri, and I recently graduated with a degree in computer science from Polytechnic Negeri Bandung. I have experience in backend engineering and DevOps engineering, having completed a 6-month internship at PT NTI, where I work at a community management platform using Laravel and Apache. Additionally, I was also team leader for a university web development project where we developed a geotourism website.
Great. Can you tell us more about your experience with Laravel and Apache?
During my internship, I primarily worked with Laravel to develop and maintain the back end of the community management platform. I also worked with Apache to configure and manage the server environment. I found the combination of Laravel and Apache to be very efficient and effective in handling a large amount of user traffic.
That's impressive. How about your experience with remote work?
Well, I am very disciplined and have experience working remotely during my university project. I understand the importance of communication and collaboration when working remotely. And I believe that my experience leading a team and web development project has prepared me well for my remote work.
What kind of website did you make as a team leader in a web development project?
During my time as a leader for University Web Development Project, we created a website for local geopark organization. I was responsible for the backend development using Nginx, and we were able to successfully create a platform for the organization to publish, market their tourism site. Other than that, they can manage their event, share their accommodation information, and even have a virtual tour in their website. It was fulfilling to use my skill to contribute to a good cause.
Good to hear that. Can you give an example of challenging problem you face during your internship and how you solve it?
Sure. During my internship, we faced a challenge where the platform was experiencing a high volume of traffic, which resulted in slow response times. After some investigating, I found the issue was caused by a bottleneck in the database queries. To solve the issue, I optimized the queries by using index and caching, which significantly improved the platform performance.
That's impressive problem solving skills. And how about your experience with Node.js and JavaScript?
Thank you. I have some experience with Node.js and JavaScript for my university project. I have worked with Node.js to build a chat application, and I have also used JavaScript to enhance the user experience of web application. Although my experience with Node.js and JavaScript is not extensive as my experience with Laravel and Apache, but I'm confident in my ability to learn and adapt quickly.
Great. It seems like you have a solid background in backend engineering and DevOps engineering. With that, several language did you have? Do you have any questions for us?
Yes. Can you tell me more about the company culture and the team maybe I will be working with?
Sure. We have a very collaborative and supportive culture. We value teamwork and encourage open communication. You will be working with a team of experienced engineers who are passionate about building high quality products.
That sounds great. Thank you for the information.
Thank you for coming today, Fahri. We'll be in touch soon.
Yes, thank you for the opportunity.